Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger at Gateway Cycles, back here at beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. And for those of you who watched my last video, I've got a follow-up for you. This is another of the Cf Moto line that we're happy to introduce. This is one of the Z Force, Z being their sport side-by-side. This is the Z Force 800EX. Tell you a little bit about it as we do the walk around here. It's got about 62 horsepower. V-twin motors, 800 cc's. Comes equipped standard with a 2-inch receiver and hitch. Nice feature. Also comes equipped with a roof, which is another nice feature. Got some nice aggressive rubber on it. Good looking suspension up under here. And these things have a great aggressive front end look to them. Give you a good shot of that. They also come standard with a 3,500 pound winch. I'll give you a shot of that there. And let's take a look inside the cab here. Got some nice high back bucket seats. Shifter in the middle. And let me get you a shot of the dash here. Nice digital display. We'll crank this thing up. Sounds a little more aggressive than the U-Force, which is their utility line. And it also comes equipped with a horn. Guys, it's the little things that really amuse me. These are great machines, guys. Come on down here to beautiful Mount Sterling and visit Gateway Cycles. Check out our inventory. Or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That lets us know we're doing a good job and we try to get more videos out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.